With Martin Luther King Jr. Day coming up, I wanted to create something that reminded me of what he stood for. So I partnered up with Michaels and I created a graphic that showcases 4 words that come to mind when I think of Dr. King and his legacy. And those words are equality, equity, justice, and peace. Once I created the graphic, I was able to use it to create a tote bag and a t-shirt. Let me show you how I did it. For this project, I'm using my Cricut machine, the Cricut infusible ink tote and t-shirt, the infusible ink sheets in black, and the Sizer Black Heritage Easy Pattern vinyl. And of course, my Easy Press 2. Everything I used and even more color options can be found at your local Michaels or on michaels.com. I start by trimming all of my HTV down to the size that I want it to be and placing it on the mat shiny side down. Then I load my mats into the Cricut and let the Cricut take it from there. After it comes off of the mat, I start my weeding and then I prepare my fabric. I always make sure to use a lint roller and preheat my fabric each time. I'm using the Sizer Black Heritage vinyl, and this one's slightly different than the Smart Iron-On because you have to put on a transfer sheet that comes with the vinyl in the package. And so you're going to actually cut it, not reverse, like don't mirror it. Instead, you just cut it as you would normal vinyl, and then you're going to use the transfer sheet that comes with it to apply it to your bag. And here's the peel and reveal, and I think it came out really nice. I love this print. It's so beautiful. For the final project, I'm making a shirt using that same graphic, but this time I'm going to use the infusible ink sheets. As I've done each time, I'm going to start out by lint rolling and preheating my fabric. But this time I'm going to add a piece of cardstock between the layers of the shirt so that the infusible ink won't bleed onto the back of my shirt. Next, I line up the image and make sure it's where I want it to be. And then I put on the piece of butcher paper that is included in the infusible ink packaging on top of the image and heat press. After it cools a bit, I can peel off the paper and reveal the image. I love how this shirt turned out. The graphic is so clean and crisp on this white shirt. It really stands out. And because of the infusible ink, I know it's going to last a really long time. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that it has inspired you to honor Dr. King in your own way this Martin Luther King Jr. Day. And I know whatever you come up with, you'll be able to make it with Michaels.